The James Webb Telescope has just made a discovery that could redefine our place in the universe. An Earth-like planet in Alpha Centauri that may support life. What secrets could it hold? Welcome to Alpha Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbor, just over 4 light-years away. This tri-star system comprising Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and the faint red dwarf Proxima Centauri has always intrigued astronomers. Its proximity makes it one of the most studied star systems, but there's more to it than distance. Could Alpha Centauri harbor planets? And more importantly, could any of those planets sustain life? Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced tool for exploring the universe. With its cutting-edge infrared sensors and massive golden mirrors, the telescope was designed to uncover cosmic secrets, from the birth of galaxies to the potential for life beyond Earth. Its ability to peer through interstellar dust and capture minute details has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos, and it was this technological marvel that delivered the discovery of a lifetime. While studying Alpha Centauri A, the telescope detected a faint flicker of light, a sign of a planet passing in front of its star. The data revealed something extraordinary, a planet orbiting within the star's habitable zone, the region where temperatures allow liquid water to exist, but that wasn't all. This planet, now named Alpha Centauri Ab, exhibited signs of an Earth-like atmosphere, with traces of water vapor and even hints of organic molecules. Can you imagine it? A world just a cosmic stone's throw away, with conditions that could support life as we know it. How would you feel knowing humanity's second home could be just a few light-years away? The discovery of Alpha Centauri Ab is more than a scientific achievement. It's a window into the future, a glimpse of what could be our next great adventure. This is only the beginning. The James Webb Telescope is far from finished, and its mission to unravel the mysteries of the universe has only just begun. Who knows what else it might uncover? Stay tuned for more incredible discoveries, and if this breakthrough excites you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to join us on this journey into the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just another tool in humanity's astronomical arsenal, it's a revolutionary leap forward. Its most significant advantage lies in its ability to see in infrared, a capability that allows it to cut through cosmic dust and observe the faintest glimmers of light from distant worlds. When it turned its gaze toward Alpha Centauri, it didn't just look for a planet, it analyzed the atmosphere surrounding it. By examining the specific wavelengths of light passing through the planet's atmosphere as it transited its star, the telescope could detect the unique chemical fingerprints of various gases. What did it find? Traces of water vapor, an essential ingredient for life as we know it. The data also hinted at the possible presence of oxygen and other molecules that could point to a habitable environment. But the real game-changer was the planet's location within what scientists call the Goldilocks Zone. Just like the classic fairy tale, this zone is neither too hot nor too cold. It's just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. For Alpha Centauri Ab, this perfect placement around its star raises the tantalizing possibility of oceans, rivers, or even rain cycles similar to those on Earth. Speaking of Earth, how does this newfound planet compare? Initial measurements suggest that Alpha Centauri Ab is remarkably similar to our home in size, with a gravitational pull that could feel almost familiar underfoot. Its temperature range, though not identical, appears to be within the threshold that could support life. Imagine standing on a planet under twin suns, where the warmth and light create a lush, vibrant environment, an alien world that feels eerily Earth-like. But here's the mind-bending question. Could this planet be more Earth-like than Earth itself? With the challenges our planet faces, climate change, pollution, dwindling resources, Alpha Centauri Ab offers a glimpse of a world untouched by human influence, a blank canvas for what life could be. This raises profound questions about our future and whether humanity might one day walk under those alien suns. The discovery isn't just about what we found, it's about how we found it. The James Webb Telescope has proven that we now have the technology to detect not just distant planets but their potential for life. As we look deeper into the cosmos, one thing becomes clear. Our search for life beyond Earth has never been more promising or more exciting. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the possibilities, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join us on this incredible journey. What does it take for a planet to be considered habitable? For life as we know it, Three key ingredients are non-negotiable: liquid water, a protective atmosphere, and a stable climate. Liquid water is the foundation of all known biological processes, acting as the universal solvent that allows molecules to interact and form the building blocks of life. An atmosphere, on the other hand, regulates temperature, protects against harmful radiation, and can harbor gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, essential for various forms of life. Lastly, a planet's climate needs to be stable over long periods, providing the consistency life requires to evolve and thrive. Alpha Centauri Ab ticks many of these boxes. Its position within the habitable zone means that liquid water could theoretically exist on its surface, whether as vast oceans, shimmering lakes, or underground reservoirs. Early observations suggest that the planet might also have an atmosphere, a critical barrier against the vacuum of space and a possible carrier of the gases needed for life. And let's not forget about the planet's stable climate influenced by the unique dynamics of the Alpha Centauri star system. This star system is unlike our solitary sun. It's a binary system, meaning two stars orbit one another in a gravitational dance. Alpha Centauri A and B are both similar in size and luminosity to our sun, offering a steady and reliable source of energy for planets within their reach. The interplay of their combined light could create stunning sunrises and sunsets on Alpha Centauri Ab, and their gravitational influence might even stabilize the planet's orbit, a key factor in maintaining a consistent climate. But the big question remains: could life already exist there? If so, what form might it take? On Earth, life began with microbes, thriving in extreme conditions long before complex organisms emerged. Alpha Centauri Ab, with its Earth-like qualities, could be home to something similar: simple, microbial life forms adapted to its unique environment. Or perhaps evolution there has taken a different path entirely. Could there be alien vegetation, strange ecosystems, or even intelligent life looking back at us? If life can exist there, what might it look like? Would it bear any resemblance to the creatures we know on Earth? Or would it be utterly alien, shaped by the planet's distinct conditions? As we ponder these questions, it's clear that the discovery of Alpha Centauri Ab is more than a scientific milestone. It's an invitation to imagine the possibilities. What if we're not alone, and the seeds of life have taken root just a few light years away? The search for answers is only beginning, and the implications could redefine everything we know about life and the universe. As always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to join us as we uncover the mysteries of this new world and beyond. The discovery of a potentially habitable planet in Alpha Centauri has reignited one of humanity's oldest dreams: traveling to the stars. But how close are we to making this a reality? Let's begin with the basics. Alpha Centauri is just over 4 light-years away, an incomprehensibly vast distance by human standards. For context, the fastest spacecraft ever launched by humanity, the Parker Solar Probe, reaches speeds of around 430,000 miles per hour. At that speed, it would still take over 6,700 years to reach Alpha Centauri. Clearly, our current propulsion technologies aren't enough for such a monumental journey. Enter the Breakthrough Starshot Initiative, a bold project aiming to revolutionize interstellar travel. This ambitious plan involves sending tiny, lightweight spacecraft, about the size of postage stamps, propelled by powerful laser beams. These star chips could theoretically reach up to 20% of the speed of light, reducing the travel time to Alpha Centauri to just 20 years. Imagine that, a human-made object traversing the gulf between stars within a single generation. If successful, this project could mark the first steps toward exploring and possibly colonizing other star systems. But what about sending humans? That's a far greater challenge. We'd need breakthroughs in propulsion systems, life support technologies, and energy sources to sustain such a journey. Concepts like fusion propulsion, antimatter drives, or even theoretical warp drives could make interstellar travel feasible in the future. However, these technologies remain speculative and decades, if not centuries, away from becoming reality. Even with the technical hurdles, the potential timeline for a mission to Alpha Centauri is starting to take shape. Unmanned probes could reach the star system within our lifetimes, providing invaluable data about the planet and its environment. Human missions, while farther off, could be possible in the next century, assuming exponential advances in technology and sustained investment in space exploration. Once we've mastered interstellar travel, colonization becomes the next frontier. Imagine constructing self-sustaining habitats on Alpha Centauri Ab, where future generations could build a new chapter for humanity under the light of twin suns. Could this discovery spark the greatest human adventure in history? It's hard not to be inspired by the possibilities. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. Alpha Centauri offers a tantalizing promise, a chance to extend humanity's reach into the stars and ensure our survival as a species. The journey might be long and uncertain, but every step forward brings us closer to achieving what once seemed impossible. As we look to the stars, one thing is clear. The discovery of Alpha Centauri Ab has given humanity a reason to dream again. And who knows? Perhaps one day our descendants will look up from that alien world and see Earth as a distant star in their sky. Until then, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to join us on this incredible journey through the cosmos. The discovery of a habitable planet in Alpha Centauri is more than just a scientific breakthrough. It's a profound moment that could redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. For centuries, we've looked up at the stars and asked, are we alone? Now, we've found evidence that we might not be. Even if Alpha Centauri Ab is lifeless, the knowledge that other worlds like Earth exist changes how we see ourselves and our universe. It's no longer just our fragile blue planet floating in the void. There might be others waiting to be explored, understood, or even inhabited. Psychologically, this realization can be both humbling and exhilarating. On one hand, it underscores the vastness of the universe and how small we are within it. On the other, it inspires hope and curiosity, reigniting the human spirit of exploration. What does it mean to know we might have a second home waiting in the stars? How does this shift our priorities here on Earth? These questions touch on our deepest fears and aspirations as a species, challenging us to think beyond national borders and short-term goals. The economic and political implications are equally profound. Space exploration, once driven by Cold War rivalries, is now an arena of global cooperation and competition. Countries and private companies alike are racing to develop the technologies needed for interstellar missions. The discovery of Alpha Centauri Ab adds a new urgency to these efforts. The potential rewards are immense: access to untapped resources, the ability to safeguard humanity's future, and the prestige of leading a new era of exploration. Yet, these motivations can also lead to conflicts over who controls this next frontier. Who has the right to explore, settle, or benefit from a new Earth? Then there's the ethical question, perhaps the most important of all. What if Alpha Centauri Ab isn't lifeless? If microbial life or even more advanced forms exist there, what responsibility do we have to protect them? Colonizing a planet with existing life could risk devastating its ecosystem, much like humanity's history of colonization here on Earth. Even the act of observation and exploration carries ethical weight. How do we balance our drive to expand with the need to respect a potentially living world? Are we ready to take responsibility for a second Earth? This isn't just a question of science or technology, it's a test of our maturity as a species. The discovery of Alpha Centauri Ab forces us to confront who we are and what kind of future we want to create. Will we approach this new world with respect and humility, or will we repeat the mistakes of the past? The journey to Alpha Centauri isn't just about finding a new home, it's about deciding what kind of humanity will take that journey. As we ponder these implications, one thing is clear: this discovery is a wake-up call to dream bigger, act wiser, and think beyond ourselves. If you're inspired by this monumental moment in human history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay with us on this incredible journey to the stars. For decades, Alpha Centauri has been a star system of dreams, a beacon of hope and wonder in the realms of science fiction. From books to movies to video games, it has served as a gateway to the future, a place where humanity could imagine new beginnings and extraterrestrial adventures. Think of iconic works like Isaac Asimov's Foundation series or the many iterations of Star Trek, where Alpha Centauri is often portrayed as humanity's first step into interstellar space. Video games like Sid Meier's Alpha Centauri have envisioned the challenges and triumphs of colonizing this nearby system, painting vivid pictures of alien landscapes under twin suns. What's remarkable is how these fictional visions align with the reality we're uncovering today. Science fiction has long speculated that Alpha Centauri's proximity and sun-like stars make it an ideal target for exploration, and now, the discovery of a habitable planet there brings those visions one step closer to life. The idea that humanity might one day walk on the surface of Alpha Centauri Ab, gazing at its twin suns, feels like something lifted straight from a story. Yet here we are, standing on the threshold of turning that fiction into fact. But it's not just about entertainment or escapism. Storytelling has played a crucial role in driving scientific ambition. By imagining what's possible, science fiction inspires generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers to push the boundaries of what we know. How many astronauts, astrophysicists, and innovators were inspired by tales of Alpha Centauri, dreaming of the day they could turn those stories into reality? Fiction creates the roadmap and science follows it, inching ever closer to the futures we've dared to imagine. Has science fiction been preparing us for this moment all along? The discovery of Alpha Centauri Ab feels like the culmination of decades of dreaming, an affirmation that our collective imagination wasn't just wishful thinking. It was a prelude to discovery. And as we look ahead, it's exciting to think about how today's scientific breakthroughs might shape the stories of tomorrow. What new tales will be told about Alpha Centauri now that it's more than just a setting for fiction? This moment is a testament to the power of imagination. It shows us that the boundary between fiction and reality is often just a matter of time and technology. As we continue to explore the cosmos, let's celebrate the stories that inspired us to reach for the stars. If you're as thrilled by this blend of science and storytelling as we are, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to join us on this journey into a future where fiction becomes reality. The discovery of a potentially habitable planet in Alpha Centauri raises an exciting question: what comes next? Identifying Alpha Centauri Ab is just the first step in a much larger journey to understand this world and the cosmos beyond. The immediate priority is to gather more data, and that means leveraging the best of current and upcoming technologies. Missions like the European Space Agency's Plato and NASA's Habitable Worlds Observatory are already in development, designed to study exoplanets in unprecedented detail. These missions, combined with the James Webb Space Telescope, could provide crucial insights into Alpha Centauri Ab's atmosphere, surface composition, and even signs of life. Advancements in observation technologies will play a pivotal role in this endeavor. Future telescopes like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, in Chile, or NASA's proposed LUVOIR Observatory, promise to capture direct images of exoplanets. These instruments could reveal surface features, weather patterns, and the composition of any oceans or vegetation. Imagine seeing a photograph of Alpha Centauri Ab, its mountains, clouds, or even alien forests, for the first time. These technologies will not only bring us closer to this planet but will also redefine how we explore the universe. Beyond the scientific community, this discovery is already creating a ripple effect, igniting global interest in space exploration. Governments, private companies, and even startups are doubling down on efforts to push the boundaries of what's possible. The excitement surrounding Alpha Centauri Ab has the potential to unlock new funding, spark international collaborations, and inspire a new generation of scientists and engineers. It's a reminder that space exploration isn't just a scientific endeavor, it's a unifying force, bringing humanity together in pursuit of a common dream. Is this just the beginning of a new space age? The parallels to the 1960s, when humanity first set its sights on the moon, are hard to ignore. Back then, the Apollo missions didn't just achieve a technological milestone, they transformed how we saw ourselves and our place in the universe. The discovery of Alpha Centauri Ab could do the same, becoming the spark that propels us into a future where interstellar exploration is no longer science fiction, but a reality. The road ahead is long, filled with challenges and unknowns, but the potential rewards are beyond imagination. Alpha Centauri Ab is a symbol of what humanity can achieve when we dare to dream and work together. As we take the next steps in studying this distant world, we're also shaping the future of space exploration, and perhaps our destiny as a species. If you're as inspired as we are by the possibilities, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay with us as we chart humanity's next great adventure. Close your eyes for a moment and picture this. You're standing on the surface of Alpha Centauri Ab, a world bathed in the glow of two suns. One casts a golden light, warming the alien terrain, while the other shines fainter, a soft silver companion in the sky. The horizon stretches endlessly, revealing lush landscapes, emerald valleys, shimmering blue lakes, and strange, vibrant flora swaying gently in an unfamiliar breeze. The air feels lighter but breathable, carrying the faint scent of something unrecognizable yet oddly comforting. Beneath your feet, the ground is firm, alive with a rhythm of its own. What would life be like on a planet orbiting another star? A single day here might be marked by the rising and setting of twin suns, their combined light painting the skies with hues Earth has never seen. Nights might bring a view of Alpha Centauri B glowing softly in the distance, accompanied by a dazzling array of stars untouched by light pollution. Imagine looking up and seeing Earth as a faint, distant speck, a reminder of where we began. Daily life could blend the familiar with the extraordinary, a mix of adapting to alien conditions while marveling at the natural wonders this new world offers. As we envision this future, it's impossible not to reflect on the James Webb Space Telescope, the instrument that made this dream possible. Its golden mirrors and groundbreaking technology have transformed how we see the universe. With this discovery, the telescope has cemented its legacy as humanity's greatest eye on the cosmos, opening doors to worlds we never imagined we'd find. It's a testament to what we can achieve when curiosity, ingenuity, and determination come together. Could this discovery redefine what it means to be human? Perhaps it already has. It challenges us to think beyond the borders of our planet, to see ourselves as part of something much larger, a cosmic community with infinite possibilities. Alpha Centauri Ab isn't just another planet, it's a symbol of hope, a reminder that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of potential. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we're not just imagining a new world, we're imagining a new humanity. A humanity that reaches for the stars, not just to explore, but to grow, to learn, and to thrive. The journey is only beginning, and we invite you to be a part of it. Like, share, and subscribe to stay with us as we turn imagination into reality, one discovery at a time.